let's try this again. Did you know we have wool? We have all kinds, like actual wool and more actual wool and packets of wool and curlers of wool, all kinds of wool. Oh wait, we have charms of wool and packets of different kinds of wool, multi-kinds. Oh, back quarters of wool and different kinds. Oh wait, we're not done. What size are these? Oh, more fat quarters of wool. All kinds of colors. We keep it interesting around here. Did you know we had that? It's not online. There's too much of it to put it online. This is a come see us situation. Right, Gwilyn? There's no wool online. Actual wool. That's an I don't think so. So, speaking about kits and stuff we saw today. Do you see these up here? We have the heart one as a kit. We do have that available. But here's the best part. We even have the metal stands they go on. So this one, let's bring it down. This is $18.95. It is a metal kind of floral print stand. You can put many of the different patterns we have on this. It's magnetized on there. It's really cool. We have it in the heart shape on that other one. But see, I'm gonna flip. This is harder. Let's see. I'm gonna flip this right here. So we have all these patterns that go on these cool metal stands. Oh, there's Santa. See him waving? And then here's your Thanksgiving table, and here's your Halloween window. If you need some Halloween fun colors, we have the trick or treat. We have the trick or treat vintage Halloween by Fig Tree set of wool. I believe these are 9 by 17 pieces. We've got a few of those left. We have bigger pieces of wool that you can get. And then we have this cute pattern, which is one of those linen fabrics that we talked about in the video earlier, where the print, you get that piece of fabric in there, which is pretty much this background piece. And then you embellish it. So you stitch on it. You add, this is some flannel, some wool. Here's even some little bells. You do some quilting around items and it really makes it pop. So that's that. There isn't a kit for this one left. I'm looking for sure. No, but there is a pattern. The pattern for that one is $18. All of these patterns are 10, it looks like. And then the heart kit, it is $29.95, includes the pattern. And then, like I said before, the frames that they can go on are $18.95. And there's the regular kind of like a scalloped circle. And then the heart is actually a scalloped heart underneath there. So we have those. We have these fun. This is the pattern. Makes these 11 by 11 inch stars that say joy. Those are all wool. We do have, some of the wool threads by Aurifil, as well as some, we have some buttons. We have another package of woolly confetti. We have the wool felted pin cushions available as well. Here's some more of the fun wool pieces. One rolly is $5.50 and a rolly is 9 by 16. Or here's a cute little spring 3-pack of them for $15.35. The wool chunks, they are 5 different colors. They're 9 by 10 pieces and they're $32.98. All of our wool on the bolt, I believe, runs $31.99 a yard. Hit or miss a couple of pieces maybe. Then we have all these cute little tiny ones. So we have the little snowman here. That's a 5x12. It's $7. And here is the sample. These cute little embellishments on it as well, little beads. We also have, let me move a light a little bit so we can see, this adorable snowman scene. It is part of the Buttermilk Basin. It's the vintage truck for January. They actually do a monthly for this truck. The pattern alone is a $9 pattern. We have the metal trays that they come with. We cannot ship the metal trays, so those would be local only. They are, I'm looking, $55 a tray. So you get that tray, it's $55, the pattern's $9. We don't have kits for that, but that's easy enough to make. Ooh, the snowman, we have a couple kits for that one. This one's $25.99, includes the pattern, all your pieces. And then here's some more of these little fun ones we do not have modeled at the moment. And they're running $9 a pattern. It's a cute little snowman. Little table toppers. Oh, that one's adorable. This one looks like it belongs in my aunt's house. Just saying. We have all these cute little patterns. Now, when we come back up here, we don't have, I'm double checking, we don't have any of these ones made, but they're cute little winter pillows, or you can put them in like this, like a quilt, or a wall hanging. We have a dog one as well. But then here's where we get to the really popular items. These little ornaments. All these little ornaments here. All the ornaments up on that tree. These are our most popular kits. They come, let me just pull one here. They come, everything in there. So you have all, they're all felt. All the felt is in there. The gold, the string, the floss, the patterns. No, it's all in there. This one's $18.99. I think that's how much they all run. So here's this one. These. Got these little critters here. And then we have little stockings here. This has been the most popular one. We even carry it as just a pattern. So the pattern only is $7.99. So if you have all the items at home and you just want a pattern, we have it, because this has been our most popular seller the last couple of years. But we do have it still in the kit for $18.99 if you're wanting that. Then we move on to our Santa here. If you might have saw him peeking earlier. He is another tray or framed oval piece. So he can fit in this tray as well. And that is him. So then, you know, we talked about these linen things in our video earlier today. Well, we have them in many different formats. So again, it's that printed linen fabric, and then you embellish it, adding wool, buttons, stitching, whatever you will need to add. It has a basic layout for you. You don't have to do what they do. You can change it up. Those patterns, they come with that linen in surface. They are $12. Okay, so we have those. This is the same thing. So we have all of these as well. And I hope you guys are hearing me okay, because we have the quilting machine going. Rita is frantically trying to get us caught up. We are, I still believe, 6 weeks out minimum, if not more. So if you are on our list or wanting to get on our list, give us a call so we can see where we can fit you in. So we have all of these as well. We do have, oh, I don't know where these samples are. So we have this wool applique quilt. It finishes 24 by 31, so it's really more of a wall, or yeah, really more of a wall hanging. For $74.49, we have all the cottons in here that we use, as well as, if you can see through there, all the wools.
There's
and
some blocks, Kirsten.
And we have, oh, Gwen got us blocks. So this kit that we're just talking about here is some of the blocks that Gwen has made from it using the fabrics that are in the kit.
There's still work to be done.
They're still a work in progress. So, you know, we've got the cottons in there and we have the wools. Does it call for any other embellishments, Gwen?
Just a thread.
Just thread, okay. So we have a few of those kits available. Again, they're $74.49. I don't know if they're online. Probably not. So we do have those. Woo, we have so much stuff. I still have another wall. So the tray that I showed you above, we're going to run into another room here in just a minute because we have another sample and it's not in here because we just do that sometimes. So here for those trays, here's some more. We have a little trick or treat. Here's some more of those trucks. This one is March, May, April, June, and then we have just some spring prints. Here's another fun. And then we have, here is 4th of July for the tray, Bless Our Home, Wool Barn. And then we have more of those floral embellishments that this one has buttons. So similar to the one that Gwen is actually working on. The truck is not a kit. Am I right? Let me check. Yeah. We don't have any kits left of that anymore. So the patterns themselves for any of the trucks, they are running $9. And I just noticed, how cute. There's a camper in June's. Well, hello from Costa Rica. I see that. Welcome from the United States. So anyways, that's what we have for our wool. I'll kind of do a kickback here. So when you come see us, you want to come into what we call the classroom, long arm room, batiks room. This is where you're going to run into the wool because we have all of it on one side. And then, hi Rita.
Hi.
We go around the corner and that's where the rest of the wool got extended because we have so much. So if there's anything you saw here today that you're interested in, patterns might be online. Gwen's been working on stuff on that. If not, you better come down and see us so we can get you some. We are open today until 5. It is 3 o'clock now. And then we're going to open again tomorrow from 10 to 4. It is Second Saturday. So those of you that are part of Second Saturday, come in and get your blocks. And I think that's all. Oh, we forgot. We have to run into the other room because the Halloween wall hanging is actually hanging in here. Let me flip around. So that's the Halloween one that goes on the tray if you use the tray. We actually have it available right now if you weren't interested in making it a wool only item. We are carrying the patterns that have, for $20.99, they have the fusible trick-or-treaters. So not this part, but all these trick-or-treaters are in there already fused and cut out of black for you to fuse onto whatever piece of wool or flannel or anything else you choose to make that happen. So that's what we got going on the wool department today, and we will have to catch you up on everything else. I hope you've read our newsletter. If you haven't, or if you don't get them, go to our website at www.sewnatural, SEWNATURAL.net, N-E-T. Click newsletter, little link. There's a little box in that top corner, and you just put in your name and email address, and then bam, you'll start getting our newsletters. So have a wonderful afternoon. I hope it's warm where you are. It is not here. Granted, it could be colder, so I'm happy for the fall-like weather. See you later.